Fever here. Today I'm playing a game that was highly suggested by my friend James. Played this game. Why am I wasting my time on this game? I could be playing World of Tanks or something like that. But no. I have to play this game, don't I? Because it's brilliant. It's a brilliant game. This game. Play in the garden. Play just for fun. Just for fun. Play in the garden. Not play in the garden. Is there any like football or anything? Play the garden. My garden. Butterfever's garden. The best garden in the world is Butterfever Garden. So yeah, the aim of this game is to move the circle around and do nothing except for look at little animals that go. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a search. What the hell is this? No, I don't want to go there. Go to the desert. Go away! Don't want to join the party. What's the point of joining parties? It's just... Why can I hear a snake? Why is a werewolf in the middle of the desert? Ow! Ow! Yeah, scare you away. Nobody likes you. Information. What rating is this game? It's like a game off CBeebies, you know, CBeebies website. It's just been implied onto. It's been put on the Xbox. The only reason I've got this game, I didn't buy it. Thank God I didn't buy it. I got it the Xbox Live Games for Gold thing. So I was just like, oh yeah, it's free. Let's play it. Waste of my time. Why did I download it? I saw that. What the hell's this? Yeah, I really scared you. You're an evil thing. Is that a penguin? A wolf? Or a fox? Or something, I don't know. The hell are you doing? Stop jumping! I'm gonna scare you off from that, which is really annoying. It's funny how it's all icy over it and then it's nice and green over there somehow. It doesn't make any sense. Just what? What's the point of playing this game? What the fuck? A marshmallow one? What the hell is that? Bidding? What the fuck? Shut up! Come here. Shut up! Go away. Oh yeah, apparently if you kill... Wait. Oh. No, I don't want to talk to you. God, what's it? He's like... Oh, he's like a big robot. That's weird. There's the shovel. Where's it? Yeah! Whacked you. Oh,
you're a bully, and seeds never like bullies.
Yeah, I am a bully because this game's so shit. That's why. So die. This is the only entertaining thing in this game. Is you get to whack people. How did I miss you? I would have knocked him out by now. I would have gone. This is the house I made a couple of weeks ago, and yeah. Why the chocolate bar? Where's the chocolate bar? Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Yeah! Yeah! Die! Look, he's even clapping at me. Clapping at me. Die! Oh, what? I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you now because you're making such a noise! Shut up! Shut the hell up now! Can I change? I want to change the color of this thing. No! Go away. Where the hell is that woman anyway? There's a woman. I've seen her. Where the hell is she? Why is this? Oh my god. This game's so boring! Gladstone, Willy Builder, Post Office, Costolots Store. Who the hell made these names up? You must be a pedo. Like Willy the Builder? Really? Just no. No. Just no. Just no.
Afternoon, come on in. Big
Yeah, I'd like to
spenders
buy stuff.
welcome. Window
Why is
shoppers,
that?
not
You can
so
just
much.
buy stuff. I don't want to stupid. What the hell's this? Hollyberry.
You're buying, huh? I knew we could be friends.
We're not friends. I have to pay you money for whatever the hell this is. Buy a load of them. Can't bother to play this game. Yeah, just no, don't. Oh my god.
Nothing beats the taste of heart. Don't forget, it's cheaper
I
to
don't
buy.
care. I don't care. Just leave me alone. Finish shopping. I don't care. Go away, Richard. Oh, I don't care about this guy.
Hello there, my triangulated
I
circular
don't care.
friend.
No.
I bring to your attention the arrival of my mobilistic dwelling and the tinkerific tool that lies within. Myself! Please elect to pay me a visit whenever you like, and we
No.
can talk some more.
I don't want to talk some more. I hate this game, so I want to sell that because what a complete waste of time that was. What the hell was that? What the hell just went on? What the? My thing's going for a spaz. Finish selling. Wait. Why is this game so boring? Tell you what, the game developers must have been bored as hell making this. Actually, they might have had more fun making it than actually playing it. Than us actually playing this game. So, I suggest you don't buy this game when you go into game or any shop like Tesco's or anything. Because, look at the achievements. I've been playing this for a long time. Look at the achievements. Whoa! I got no achievements at all! Whoa! Look at that. Yeah, so I've completely given up on this game. Goodbye. Subscribe, please, because it will really help me out. See you later, guys. Wasted my time, this was.